would write songs to enhance the story, and it kind of grew on it. And so at least one of his stories became a full-fledged opera. Hansel and Gretel. You know the story. Hansel and Gretel are about 8, 10 years old, and they're lost in the Black Forest, and it's getting dark, and they don't know the way home, and it's getting scary noises, like a forest will. So they better say their prayers, the children's prayer.
When at night I go